Today's word is area. It is a very common and useful word in English for many situations. Area means a specific part or region of something. It can be a place, surface, or a part of a subject. A common mistake is confusing area with place. Place is more about location, but area often means a larger part or space. Common patterns include, in the area, area of, large area, and urban area. Use these to describe parts of places or topics. She lives in the area near the river. The classroom has a large area for students to work. This area of science is very interesting. The city has many green areas. Once, a boy explored every area of his backyard. He found a secret garden in one small area that no one else knew about. Think of area like a piece of a map. Just like a map shows different parts, area means a specific part of something. Remember, area means a part or region. Try using it today to describe places or topics you talk about.